Okay, so I'm assuming that you're in your course. Go ahead and click Add Materials, and then you're going to add a quiz. Or two. Just give it a name.
Nothing random.
Make sure you have the category selected. All right, so now you're at the point where you can go get the questions from the bank. So you can click Add Questions from Question Banks. You have a choice here. If you want to select the questions individually, select this one here. This is probably what you'll want to do. And then you have to go to the group and then go to Government, the test bank. And the only problem with picking the individual question method is if you want to add questions from multiple chapters, you have to do this process each time for each chapter. So let's say I want 5 questions from chapter 2. I can look through here. Again, if I just click on it, I can see the answer choices. A lot of true false here, multiple choice. There we go. And so there I can see the actual questions. If I like this question, I can just select it. Boom, 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 boom. You can give it the point value. I think you can give the point value later too. So if you don't want to put the points now, it's no big deal. So that's from chapter 2. And if you wanted to add chapter 4 or chapter 6, you have to go in and do this process again. Or you can do this. You can go random questions. Again, navigate to where you want to pick the question. So government, test bank. And now you just decide which chapters you want to pull from. So I want to pull from federalism, some civil liberties, maybe the media. Now it's going to ask me, how many questions do you want? There's 100 in the test bank, but I want to pull 5 of them. And I want to pull maybe 10 from here and maybe 5 from here. All right, so then I can just add those questions. Oh, it's going to make me put some point values in. So let's assume I'm going to have 50 questions at the end of this process. So 2 points each. All right, so options. It is kind of boring. Now notice that this says 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 2 points. I was hoping there'd be an easy way to change the point value, but I'm guessing you have to go into Edit and change it individually. Sorry about that. So you want to make sure you get the point value straight up front, because this will take a long time to fix if you add 50 questions and you have to change each question's point value. All right, and then once you have your questions, you can go into your settings and you go ahead and set that timer up. So first make it available, and then we'll just say time limit, yes. So if you're gonna have 50 questions, maybe give them 50 minutes. Maybe if you want to just give them 45 minutes so that they can't be messaging each other. I like to make it resumable. There we go. Randomize the order, yes. So the students get different questions at different times. And you're pretty much good to go. Save changes. Now your quiz is operational and you can see it. It'll be at the bottom of this one. There it is, sample. So click it. If you want to change anything, you just click it back in. And you can get rid of questions if you want to. Or you can change the number of questions in your set or the number of points per question. All right, and then once you're done, you can see the results here or in your grade book. All right, good luck, man.